What's up? This is John from John Rents for Photography, and I cannot believe that I've come this far on YouTube in only about 2 years. You all have been hanging out on the channel, showing so much love and really diving into all the long form videos that I've been putting out, and I've been super excited and just surprised about all of it. So I wanted to thank you all, and I wanted to do something that I didn't think I was gonna be able to do, but I pulled a couple of strings and we're gonna do a 100K giveaway just for you all. Even though I'm like 10,000 subs off, I know I'm a little late, but I'm glad I was able to put together this giveaway for you all. So hang out on this video. Let's talk about what we're gonna be giving away and also what you need to do to win all of these great prizes. So again, being able to do a giveaway was something I didn't think I was gonna be able to do. That's why you haven't seen anything planned at all for a giveaway or 100K, none of that stuff. I really didn't think it was gonna happen. Honestly, I didn't even think I was gonna get to 100K subs, so here we are. Everything I'm gonna be giving away are things that I personally use and or would love to have myself, so it's gonna be some really great stuff. Starting out with a third place prize, which is gonna be a Lume Cube Mini. Now you all have seen me talking about the Lume Cube Mini on my Sparkler Exit video, and if you haven't had a chance to check that out, look at it right up above, but this is what I use when I'm doing Sparkler Exits. Lume Cubes are absolutely amazing. They can fit in your bag, they're super small, they're basically the size of an iPhone, and they give you just the right amount of light when and where you need it. Again, when it comes to Sparkler Exits, I don't like the look of a flash, but the Lume Cube gives me the exact look I want for my Sparkler Exits, which is like this. So that is gonna be our third place prize. The Lume Cube Mini is absolutely amazing, and if you wanna learn more about it or any other Lume Cube products, definitely make sure to check out the link in the description. Next up is something I use basically at every single wedding, which is a flat lay mat. You've seen the flat lay mats that I use in my full wedding day videos, and if you haven't, definitely check out some of those videos up above. But a flat lay mat gives you a specific place where you can do a flat lay detail shot at the wedding day. I was able to get in touch with Chasing Stone, which is who I actually buy my flat lays for, and they want to do a giveaway for you all. Make sure to go to their site in the description below and look at all the different colors and then post a story on your Instagram so that they'll see which color you all want. And I'll be reviewing that at the end of the video as well, all the things you'll need to do to sign up for this giveaway. The thing I love most about Chasing Stone is all these flat lay mats are hand painted. They hold up really well, and I personally own about 5 myself. They come in all types of amazing colors, and they just make your flat lays look absolutely amazing. Here are a couple examples of my flat lays using the Chasing Stone flat lay mat. So that is gonna be our second place prize. And last but not least is the first place prize, a brand new Fujifilm X100V. Now, I'm gonna be totally honest with you all. I wish I was getting one of these. And when Fujifilm sent it over to me and I got it in the mail, I was like, oh man, I wish this was mine. But the X100V has a fixed lens on it. It's a beautiful small camera with film aesthetics, and it's hands down one of the best Fujifilm cameras in my opinion. As of right now, I have an X-T30 that I use for anything smaller than a wedding, but honestly, I wish I had an X100V for shooting my family or just hanging out and anything like that. This X100V is gonna be the silver one, so it's gonna have a nice, cool film aesthetic to it as well. And y'all just, it is a great camera, hands down. You're gonna absolutely love this camera. If you want to learn more about the X100V, make sure to check out Reggie's 1-year review on that camera. It's really awesome. I'll link it above and in the description below. So let's talk about everything you're gonna have to do to get into this giveaway. We're gonna make this a little bit more interactive, and it's less than just signing up. So let's go ahead and go through the rules. To start out, I'm gonna be doing a live stream like I usually do where I'm editing your photos, but there's gonna be a catch. Everyone needs to submit one photo that is based off of my 10 favorite wedding poses. You can check out that video up above. Go watch that video, look at all the poses, and submit a photo that falls in line with any of those poses. The photo has to be something that was taken this year, and it doesn't necessarily need to be wedding. However, it does need to be a couple or people. Please make sure you're only submitting one photo, one raw photo. If it is a JPEG, you're gonna be disqualified. After you've submitted your one photo, make sure to check out my live stream, which I will schedule out and you'll be able to see on my page, where I will edit all your photos, which will coincide with the giveaway. Second off, make sure to check the links in the description below and follow Chasing Stone, LumeCube, and also Fujifilm on Instagram. There'll be links down below which will make it easier for you to get to their Instagram page, but make sure you follow all of them. Also for Chasing Stone, make sure to go to their website, which again is in the description below, and tag a story with them in it of the color you would like to win yourself. And last but not least, this giveaway is only for the US. I'm sorry to everyone else who watches me around the world, but this is just gonna be a US giveaway this time. Hopefully if this giveaway does well, I'll be able to do some outside of the States, but right now it's just the United States. So again, submit one RAW photo, not JPEG, RAW. Make sure to catch my live stream, which I will have scheduled out soon. Follow Fujifilm, Chasing Stone, and LumeCube on Instagram. And then the winner will be drawn randomly, and I'll also display your photo that you won with. But thanks again for hanging out on the channel. Really, I put a lot of hard work and love into all my videos, especially those full wedding day videos, which again, please check them out. I put in so much love for those videos, so I'm glad you're enjoying them. If you have any friends who are into photography or looking to learn, definitely have them come over to the channel and subscribe. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing for as long as I can. I'm hoping next year will be just as amazing as this year, and I can do more giveaways like this going forward. Also, I have some cool videos coming up. I have some behind the scenes photo shoots. I just bought the new M1 Max MacBook Pro, so I'm gonna be making some videos on that. I just got a lot of stuff I wanna do, but this time of year is super busy. So hang around the channel, check out the live streams, just hang out. Again, I could go on forever. Thank you all so much for hanging out on the channel, and I will catch you all next time. Good luck on the giveaway.